Good evening, dear friends. Today we are going to talk about KCET Key Answers Biology subject held on 16/6/2022. So let us start. Question number 1. Filtration of blood during urine formation takes place in collecting duct, DCT, glomerulus and PCT. Your answer for this question is option C, glomerulus. Yes. Question number 2. Corpus callosum connects the cerebrum and cerebellum, two lobes of cerebellum, spinal cord with the brain, two cerebral hemisphere. And answer for this question is option D, two cerebral hemispheres. Question number 3. Menstrual cycle is exhibited by apes, cow, tiger, rat. And answer for this question is option A, apes. Talking about the question number 4. An example of dioecious plant. Option A, mango. Option B, cucurbita. Option C, papaya. Option D, coconut. And answer for this question is option C, papaya. Answer for this question is answer C, papaya. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Let us move on to the question number 5. Stalk of stamen is petiole, filament, peduncle, pedicel. And answer for this question is option B, filament. Yes, guys. Answer for this question is option B, filament. Yes. Question number 6. A ovule of angiosperm is technically known as megaspore mother cell, megasporangium, megaspore, megasporophyll. So answer for this question is option B, megasporangium. Megasporangium. Talking about the question number 7. Typical mature embryo sac of angiosperm is 7 nucleated 8 celled structure, 8 nucleated 8 celled structure, 8 nucleated 1 celled structure, 8 nucleated 7 celled structure. And answer for this question is option D, 8 nucleated 7 celled structure. Talking about question number 8. One of the 2000 years old viable seed discovered during the archaeological excavation at King Harold near Dead Sea. Maize, sunflower, lupine, Phoenix dactylifera. And answer for this question is Phoenix dactylifera. Option D is the correct answer for this question. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. We'll move on to the question number 9. The testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity in scrotum as it helps to maintain the low temperature, store sperm, regulates the hormone secretion, release sperm. And answer for this question is maintain low temperature. So what it will do? Maintain the low temperature. Talking about the question number 10. Identify the odd one from the following. Infundibulum, fimbriae, isthmus, labia minora. And answer for this question is option number 10, labia minora. Question number 11. In which month of gestation the first movement of fetus and appearance of hair on its head is observed? 5th month, 1st month, 8th month, 4th month. And answer for this question is option A, 5th month. Talking about question number 12. The most abundant type of WBC cells, white blood cells, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes, neutrophils. And answer for this question is option D, neutrophils. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. We'll switch on to the question number 13. Which of the following is correctly matched? Bulbil, agave, conidae, hydra, spores, sponge, gemmules, amoeba. So answer for this question is option A. Answer for this question is option A, bulbil agave. Question number 14. The technique advised by a doctor to overcome the problem of infertility. RCH, MTP, RTI and ART. So answer for this question is option number D, ART. ART indicates assisted reproductive technique. So answer is option D. Question number 15. Amniocentesis is a process to grow cell on culture medium, determine any disease of heart, determine the sex of fetus, know about disease of brain. This is question number 50 and answer for this question is option C, determine the sex of fetus. Talking about question number 16, the first human-like being is Homo sapien, Homo erectus, Homo mantis, Homo habilis. And answer for this question is option D, Homo habilis. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Let us move on to the question number 17. XO type of sex determination and XY type of sex determination are the examples of male homogamety, male heterogamety, female homogamety, female heterogamety. And answer for this question is male heterogamety. Option B is the correct answer. Male heterogamety. Yes. Question number 18. Example for non-Mendelian disorder. Thalassemia, hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, Down syndrome. And answer for this question is option number D, Down's syndrome. Gynecomastia is a symptom of Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, Cray-Duchat syndrome, Klinefelter's syndrome. And answer for this question is option D, Klinefelter's syndrome. The affected male in pedigree chart is symbolized by a square with a shaded mark. Option A is the correct answer. B is unaffected male. C is affected female. I hope you followed. So answer is option A. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Switch on to the question number 21. The given diagram represents, this diagram represents a nucleosome. See, nucleosome, chromosome, mesosome and ribosome. And answer for this question is nucleosome. Which of the following hormone is not secreted by human placenta? Progesterone, HCG, FSH, relaxin. And answer for this question is option C, FSH. Follicle stimulating hormone. What is the long form for FSH? Follicle stimulating hormone. Yes. Question number 23. A series of experiments were conducted by Frederick Griffith in 1928 on transforming principle with Salmonella typhimurium, Escherichia coli, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Bacillus thuringiensis. And answer for this question is option C, Streptococcus pneumoniae. The number of codons effective in coding 20 amino acid. It is 24th question. So option B, it is option B only. Yes. We'll switch on to the question number 25. Which aspect forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting? So if you want to see the options, you can go for it. So answer for 25th question is option A. The satellite DNA showing high degree of repetition in DNA segment. This is the correct answer for 25th question. Identify the most infectious and fatal type of malarial parasite. 26th question. Answer is A. Plasmodium falciparum. Answer is Plasmodium falciparum. 27th question. The type of antibodies produced during the allergic reaction. Option D, IgE. 28th question. One of the side effects of the use of anabolic steroids in females. Cirrhosis of liver, loss of memory, masculinization, hallucination. And answer for this question is masculinization. Which one of the following is a opiate narcotics? Options are amphetamines, barbiturates, LSD, morphine. And answer for this question is option D, morphine. This is the correct answer for this question. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. We'll switch on to the question number 30. The large holes in Swiss cheese are made by bacterium producing a large amount of CO2, machine, fungus that release a lot of gases during the metabolic activities, bacterium that produces methane gas. So answer for this question is option A. Answer for this question is option A, bacterium producing a large amount of CO2. 31 question. Which vitamin is increased by lab in curd? Vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B. Which one, guys? Yes, it is vitamin B12. Enzyme which is helpful to remove the oily stains in laundry. Amylase, renin, lipase, protease. It is answer is lipase. It is there in the NCERT page number 183, second PU. If you want to check it, you can go for it. Question number 33. DNA replicates semi-conservatively was first shown in plants, Escherichia coli, higher animals, human cell. And answer for this question is option B, Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli is the correct answer for this question. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. We'll switch on to the question number 34. What does the sample of given base sequence represents? 5' GAATTC and 3'. 3' CTT AAG hyphen 5'. Completion of replication, initiator codon at 5' end, palindromic sequence, deletion mutation. 34th question, and the answer is option C, palindromic sequence. Answer is option C, palindromic sequence. Question number 35. Gel electrophoresis is used for separation of DNA fragment according to their size, construction of recombinant DNA by joining with cloning vectors, cutting of DNA into fragments, isolation of DNA molecules. And answer for this question is separation of DNA fragments. Nothing but option A is the correct answer. So we'll switch on to the question number 36. An antibiotic resistance gene in a vector usually helps in the selection of non-recombinant cells, competent cells, non-competent cells, transferred cells. So here answer for this question is yes, answer for this question is question number 36, option A, non-recombinant cells. So if you want to check the answer for this question, it is there. Yes, it is there in the NCERT second PU page number 199, if you can go for it. Silencing of specific mRNA in RNAi is by, question number 37 is by dsRNA. It is option C, sorry, it is not option C. So it is option D, dsRNA. Yes. Question number 38. CRY-IAC effectively controls root nematode, cotton bollworms, ringworm, corn borer. Question number 38. Cotton bollworms is the correct answer. It is option B, and it is there in the NCERT second PU textbook page number 209. So if you can check, if you want to check, you can go for it. So let us discuss question number 39. ADA deficiency can be cured by kidney transplantation, bone marrow transplantation, heart transplantation, liver transplantation, and the answer is bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation. Question number 40. This is there. If you want to check the 39th question answer, it is there in the NCERT second PU page number 211. Question number 40. Average natality rate in our village is 25. Average mortality is 24. Immigration 2 and immigration 3 and the net increase in population is. So here answer is option B, 0. Next question, question number 41. The term molecular scissors refers to restriction enzyme. Yes, option A itself is the correct answer for this question. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes, let us move on to the question number 42. The animals which are active during the daytime: vesperal, diurnal, crepuscular, auroral. And the answer for this question is diurnal. So answer for this question is diurnal. Which of the following statement is incorrect related to biomes? Option D, more rainfall and low temperature. More rainfall and low temperature is the characteristics of deserts. So this is the correct answer for biomes. Go for question number 44. The amount of photosynthetically active radiations captured by plants is 2 to 10 years. Yes, it is again option D, 2 to 10 years. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Let's move on to the question number 45. The given graph represents, the graph is area along x-axis and species richness along y-axis. Population growth, enzyme activity, species area relationship, growth of organism. So answer for this question is option C. Answer for this question is option C, species area relationship. And if you want to check, it is there in the NCERT second PU page number 262. Yes, guys. Next question number 46. Cuscuta is an example of ectoparasitism. Option A itself is the correct answer. Particulates of dash size pose greatest risk to human health. So here the answer for this question is option B, less than 2.5 micrometer in diameter. This is very risk to human health. Question number 48. Maintenance of constant internal environment is called as thermoregulation, metastasis, osmoregulation, homeostasis. And answer for this question is option D. Answer for this question is option D, homeostasis. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take it, guys. Yes. Question number 49. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy is caused by. It is caused by. Question number 49. Answer is options are virus, viroids, fungi, and freon. And the answer for this question is freons. Yes, it is correct answer. Ceoerythrin and fluoridine starch is found in brown algae, blue green algae, red algae, green algae. And answer for this question is red algae. Yes. Different types of respiratory organs like gills, book lungs, and trachea are present in option A, arthropods. Which of the following plant is used to extract colchicine? Asparagus, colchicum, tulip, aloe. And answer for this question is colchicum. Colchicum. This is the correct answer. Go for the next question. Question number 53. See, guys. Rows of S-shaped setae in the body of earthworm are present in all segments except it is a first and last segment. Answer is option D, the first and last segment. Cell theory was formulated by Schleiden and Robert Brown, Schleiden and Scone and Robert Brown, Robert Hooke and Robert Brown. Cell theory was formulated by option B, Schleiden and Scone. This is the correct answer. The type of polysaccharide present in cotton fiber: cellulose, starch, glycogen, insulin. And the answer is option A, cellulose. Enzyme involved in crossing over endonuclease, recombinase, ligase, polymerase. Answer for this question is option B, recombinase is the correct answer for this question. Switch on to the question number 57. Cron's anatomy can be seen in pea plant, tomato, maize, potato. So it is found in tomato. Correct answer is tomato. Respiratory quotient of glucose is 58th question. It is always 1. Remember, it is respiratory quotient of glucose is 1. The person suddenly starts coughing while swallowing food. A person suddenly starts coughing while swallowing food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of neck, epiglottis, tongue, diaphragm. This is due to epiglottis. If you want to check the key answer, it is there in NCERT first PO 258, page number 258. Binomial nomenclature is introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, it is there in the first PU, page number 6. If you want to check, you can go for it. Binomial nomenclature is introduced by what? Carolus Linnaeus. So this is regarding the today's question paper. I hope all you did well, and all the best for the further exams. All the questions are arising from the NCERT only. So do study well NCERT books. So line by line. Yes, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for mathematics, physics and chemistry key answers. And all the best for your future exam. Thank you.